Mm. So hi everyone, hello everyone. My name is Bella, your admin Bella. So it's me Bella. So my ID number is 220626, and then dream. I don't have dream the future yet. Wala pa akong dream sa future. Ano pa ba? Drink. I used to drink, hot water early in the morning than drinking coffee. I'm not into coffee that much. And ano pa ba? About food, I love any kind of food. Basta masarap. Any kind, hindi ako picky pagdating sa food. I love food. Any kind of food. Kinakain ko naman siya. At ano pa ba? Movies. I watch K-drama. I watch Chinese drama. I watch short Chinese drama. I don't like Pinoy movie or Pinoy drama because it's very annoying. I don't like it. And I love watching Chinese short drama. That's why I stay always in YouTube. Since as you notice guys na wala ko lagi sa PR, hindi ako lagi nasa Himi because I use watching in YouTube. That's why sometimes pag pumunta ako sa Himi, naghihina ako, masakit na yung mata ko. Masakit na yung ulo ko, kaya natutulog na lang ako ng maaga. So hindi nyo ako laging nakikita sa Himi. And then about my hobbies. My hobbies is singing, then dancing, and then play music. Na-notice nyo naman siguro pag nasa VR ako, nag-duty ako, lagi ako ng music because that's my hobbies. I love music. When I was at home, I'm here at home alone. I play music super loud. Bahala na yung mga kapitbahay na naiingayan, basta ganun ako magpa-music. Masyadong malakas. And then ano pa, wala na yata. So that's all. I hope you like it. I hope you like my video. So dito talaga ako sa kitchen namin nagbibideo dito ako sa kitchen namin halos bumubulong na lang ako dito kasi maraming tao sa bahay. Kaya dito na ako sa kitchen. Sa room naman masyadong madilim. Hindi siya liwanag, hindi siya light. Sa kwarto ko hindi siya maliwanag, kaya dito na ako sa kitchen. Ayan, masyadong liwanag dito, kaya dito na ako gumawa ng video. And that's all. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for your help to reach this sana manalo. Yun lang. And to all my co-warriors members, keep hunting lang to reach your goal, every month. And then to all my co-admins, keep up your good work, and then to enhance your ability, to enhance your kakayanan na lang. And then ano pa sasabihin ko. Yun na. Naka 5 minutes na ako. So, yun lang guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Ano pa pala? Even if I'm nonchalant in the room, it doesn't mean that I don't care. It doesn't mean that I didn't care. So, pag I'm always there naman to help, lalo na sa mga new admins. So, don't hesitate to ask, even though hindi naman ako masyadong maldita. Char lang. Yun lang guys. Thank you everyone.